Assalamu alaikum students. This video I have just shared with you. I thought there is something at the end I need to explain you more. Again, look into the original question. It is an implicit equation which involves exponential function. Okay, guys. So I actually wrote the exponential equation, the implicit equation which involves the exponential function here. So the original equation is here. Now, as you see, the first part we need to apply the product rule here. So the green part shows the y will stay as it is. Then differentiation of e raised to power 2x is first you keep it e2x, and then the further derivative of 2x is 2 plus then in the second term, you keep the e raised by 2x as it is, and the differentiation of y is dy by dx. Then a minus sign comes. Again, you put the bracket on for y square ex. We leave y square as it is, and the differentiation of ex is ex. And then in the next stage, we took the differentiation, we left ex as it is, and the derivative of y square is first apply the power rule to y, and the further derivative of y is dy by dx. And that on the right hand side, the differentiation of 2 is 0. Now, open the brackets and simplify the terms. So we will get 2y 2x plus e raised by 2x dy by dx. Now multiply the minus inside. So we will get, don't forget to change the sign. So this is plus, it becomes minus y squared ex and minus 2y ex dy by dx. You can see dy by dx two terms. So we took the dy by dx common from the two terms which contains dy by dx. So what is left inside it? We will be left with e raised by 2x minus 2y ex from here. Those terms which are without dy by dx, we need to push them to go to the right hand side. As you see, this term and this term, this is without dy by dx, we push them to go to the right hand side. Now, on the left hand side, the bracket, this will go in the denominator. Now we need to take something common in the numerator and denominator. In the numerator, we have 2ex common, and in the denominator, we have e raised to power x common. We cancel ex with ex because we know that ex cannot be equal to 0. So we are allowed to cancel ex with ex. But this y, no need to take it common, so you can push it back to go inside. And y square minus 2y ex over ex minus 2y. If you match your result and the result which the examiner requires, he wrote 2y ex with the plus sign. So I actually changed it to I multiplied up and down with a minus 1. Now our expression came 2y ex minus y squared. So I changed the sign of the terms in the numerator and also in the denominator. Then he said that find the exact coordinates of the point of the curve where the tangent is parallel to the y-axis. When the tangent is parallel to the y-axis, you need to put the denominator equal to 0, not the numerator equal to 0. So that's why you will see that in the next solution. Next part, I will put the denominator of dy by dx equal to 0, because whenever any tangent is parallel to the y-axis, its gradient is infinity. If it is infinity, then it means the denominator has to be 0. So I put the denominator 2y minus ex is equal to 0. Then I will try to make y as a subject by pushing the ex to the right hand side. 2 goes down. So y is equal to half ex. Now this is the y coordinate I have made. Now I need to plug it back into the original equation. The original equation was having y e raised to power 2x minus y squared, and ex is equal to 2. Then ex multiplied with 2x, it is e3x. And I took the square 1 over 4 uh, e2x, and then ex multiplied with it, so it becomes e3x. Then I took the e3x common. Inside the bracket, we will be having half minus 1 over 4, and then 1 half minus 1 over 4 is 1 over 4. The 4 goes to the other side, becomes 8. e3x is equal to 8. Convert it into the exponential logarithmic form. So the e goes to the other side, becomes ln of 8. And now 3 goes on the other side. 1 over 3 ln of 8 can be written as 2 raised to power 3. Use the power property of log. The 3 goes back. If the 3 goes back, it becomes like this, 3 over 3 ln of 2, and you cancel 3 with the 3, and you will get ln of 2 in the exact form. Now you need to plug it back, this value of x, into the equation of y, where you have made y as a subject. So when I plug it, guys, when you see a e along with ln, both of them will cancel each other. So 2 is going to multiply with 1 over 2. When you cancel them up, so what is left to you? Y is equal to 1. So the y coordinate is 1 and x coordinate is ln of 2. Did he ask us to keep the exact coordinates? Yes, we keep the exact coordinates. Thank you, boys.